What's going on, Clay community? Brandon Charleston here. Just wanted to record this quick Loom. I've discovered how to use Gemini within Clay, which could be beneficial, especially with all the recent announcements that Google has had regarding their Gemini AI. So I've covered earlier how to use Claude, expanding on Yash's use case, where you need to essentially create a formula within that. So you just essentially come up with the formula here, and you would say put into cell, and then you would essentially put in your prompt, write a song about whatever whatever your prompt would be, and then you would generate formula. And then what it'll do is this will act as your actual prompt. So you can see that that'll put that into a cell, which I have right here. And then from there, what you'll do is you will go to enrich data, go to HTTP API. And then what I've done is I created a template, which I'll bring up here so you guys can copy that. And I'll put it in the post as well. But essentially what you'll need to do is I've had it to where you select the prompt. So based on that formula, this will be your prompt that'll insert it into the JSON area here. So we'll select prompt, and then we'll use template. And then from this, essentially everything has been put into place. So what you'll need to do is do the endpoint, and then put your API key in here as well. For obvious reasons, I'm not going to show mine. But what you need to do is put your API key, which you can get from AI. I'll put that in the comment as well. But you'll need to save that as a template, so that way you're not always copying and pasting your API key. So you'll have it saved there. And then this will just generate the prompt. And then as you can see, it will populate. So it'll go here. This will be the data that we get back. So you just go down the tree, and this has the model, and let's see here, and there is the text. So you just add that as column, which you can see I've done right here, and this is your Gemini response. So there you are. As far as using Gemini, you can use the big three now, obviously GPT, and then Claude 2, which I've demonstrated earlier. If you have questions, reach out, happy to help. But then now you have Gemini, leveraging everything Google has at play. So have fun and happy claying.